Hi everybody, Bob Sokoler, Sokoler Team Remax Properties East. I am with Chris and Ray, who just bought a house, and we as the agents were both on the buyer side, on Chris and Ray's side, and on the seller side. And the reason I wanted to do this particular interview is because originally this house was listed by a discount broker here in the Louisville area. And Chris, you said you tried reaching the discount broker several times?
Yes, and she never replied to us.
Never returned your calls?
No.
And this house could have been sold by the discount broker months ago, but she never returned. You tried as well? Yeah.
Yes, we tried and tried 2 or 3 times. No luck.
All right, so now take us up. We listed the house, and you called. How many times did you have to call to reach me in this case?
Once, we're going straight to you.
Went straight to me, and I
Yep.
guess that. Yeah.
Yep.
So what I'm getting at here, and this is a lot of self-publicity, but I think it's important that you know that, discount brokers do the job, but you do lose this one-on-one interaction with a good listing agent who will do what needs to be done, and that is follow up and do it. So thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you
Thank you
for
very
being
much.
there for us.
That's my
Yes,
pleasure.
all the time. Yeah, thank
it was,
you.
yeah. I'm Bob Sokoler, Sokoler Team Remax Properties East. Thanks for watching.